The tilt control settings can be used to increase or decrease bass or treble levels. Each tilt can be toggled on and off individually. Enter the start frequency of the tilt in Hertz and adjust the gain in order to raise or lower the tilt. Always use caution when adjusting the gain, as some speakers may be damaged by increasing the gain too high.